How are you, students? We'll come back with new science lessons for grade 8. Today we will speak about methods of mixture separation, how we can separate the material from mixtures or solution. The first method is mechanical separation, opened by hand. Takes advantage of physical properties such as color and shape. We can separate as the color and shape or size of the pieces. Like this is the tools we will use, and we will separate red color with each other and brown color with each other, and after that we can classify them by its volume or size. Example: recycling plastic and paper and metal. Methods of mixture separation. Second method is magnetic separation. Takes advantage of the physical properties of magnetism. We can find that, we notice that we must use the feature properties or physical properties of the material. We will use a magnetism. Like this, if we have a sulfur and iron filling mixtures with each other, we can use a magnet to separate iron from the sulfur, because iron is magnetized but sulfur not magnetized. Next example, Turpit's animation. This video clip illustrates how tiny nanoparticle size magnetic beads called turpits can be used to separate dissolved impurities, magnetic mechanical compounds from water. I will put the link in the first comment. Methods of mixture separation also. The third one is filtration. Takes advantage of the physical property of state of matter. Screen lets the liquid particles throughout but traps solid particles. Like this example, filtrating coffee or spaghetti. Like this is a filter for the coffee. The water will throw out, or small particles will throw out from the filters, but solids with big size, relatively big size, will captured inside the filter paper. Filtrations can also be used to separate solid particles of different size. Like we put the filter or window screen an air filter sand sieve. It will trap the sand from the air. Also, fourth method is decanting. To pour off liquid, leaving another liquid or solid behind. Takes advantage of difference in density. If we have mixed oil and water, so oil is less density than water, so it will be above and water will be down, so we can filtrate them by this. Or mixtures like we have water and rice. This is a simple example in our home. The rice have high density, so it will be in the bottom and water above, so I can separate them by pour the water. Another example, this is important method for liquid separation. If we have a mixtures of liquids like petrol oil, we can separate the component of this oil by something called distillation. The separation of mixtures of liquids based on the physical properties of boiling point. We will use the properties of boiling. Not all solution or liquids have the same boiling point. If we mix ethanol and water, boiling point of ethanol is about 30 degrees, but water, its boiling point is 100 degrees, so I can separate them by distillation method. Distillation animation. These animations show how two liquids dissolved together can be separated by distillations at their respective and different boiling point. I will left the link in the first comment. Thank you, goodbye with the next lesson.